Hello, data folks. Thanks for joining me again on this channel for data and IT professionals. Today we're looking at a very common Git problem. You try to push your changes to a GitHub or GitLab remote repository and suddenly you get blocked by an error. In most cases, it says something like remote update was rejected. I'm on Databricks right now, but if you're using other tools, the error message might look a little different. No matter what tool you're using, the root causes are usually the same. So, in this video, I'm going to cover the top 3 reasons that can stop you from pushing changes to the remote repository. First and foremost is access permissions. Generally, you will have read access to many of the repositories out there, but committing changes requires you to have write access. And write access is something only the owner and collaborators will have. In case you are the owner of the repository, you should already have write access, so you can move on to the next set of solutions. But if you're not the owner, please reach out to the repository owner or an admin to make sure your Git account has been added as a collaborator for the repository you're trying to push changes to. If that's not possible, you can create your own copy of the repository by importing it into your own Git account, and then you'll have full control and can push changes freely. The next important thing we should check is branch protection rules. It's pretty common for repository owners or admins to set rules that block certain actions on the repo. One of the most common rules is that the main branch is usually blocked for direct commits. In such cases, the typical expected workflow is to create a feature branch from the main branch, make the changes in that feature branch, and later merge those changes back into the main branch using a merge request. Let's try that out. I'm going to create a feature branch on top of my main branch changes. Alright, now let's see if we can commit this. Unfortunately, the issue didn't go away. And we've got one more and final check to do. This is the most common cause, and it's exactly what fixed my issue. So let's dive in. There's something called secret protection. Sometimes the code you're pushing contains sensitive information, like API keys, passwords, or tokens. GitHub automatically scans your commits, and if it finds secrets, it can block your commit up front. So, make sure you're not accidentally committing any sensitive data. As I suspected, I do have an API key in my code, and that's exactly why I'm still getting this error. Let me go ahead and replace it with environment variables or follow other best practices to avoid hard-coding secrets. Alright, we're all set to commit our changes. That's fantastic. I'm now able to successfully commit my changes to the remote repository. From here, I can create a merge request to pull the changes into my main branch. Everything's looking perfect. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content. Thanks for watching.